What is up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your Stripe payment notification with Zapier. So you first need to open Zapier in your browser, and then you need to log in or sign up with your Zapier account. And after logging in or signing up, you will be redirected to the homepage of Zapier, wherein on the left side you can see the orange button of Create. Click on this Create button and then click on Zaps. We will be creating a new zap. So that's why I have clicked on create new zap. And then you will be redirected to the editor page to create your new zap. From here, you need to click on trigger. And when you click on trigger here at the top on the search bar, you need to type Stripe. After typing Stripe will appear here. Click on this. And after that, a pop-up window will appear wherein you need to choose the trigger event. Click on this and then click on new payment. So for this video, we need to automate Stripe for payment notification. That's why we will be clicking on new payment. And when you click here, here in the account section, it will ask you to connect Stripe. Simply click on this sign in, and then it will ask you the permissions to sign in to your Stripe and to access your Stripe. After that, when you enter your Stripe email, this will ask you to verify your login by entering the verification code from your Authenticator app. But if you don't want to enter through the Google Authenticator app, you can scan this QR code and then you can connect your Zapier with Stripe. And this is how you can connect your Stripe payment notifications to your Zapier automatically. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.